The LG V20 user here, and today I'm in the video with the Moto G-Fast for base mobile. So the Moto G-Fast is now at base mobile. It's currently on sale for $99.99. The full retail price of the Moto G-Fast is $149.99. So this is a budget phone with this version, and I put it decent for what it is. So yeah. So there's the Moto G-Fast right there. Pretty nice one, kind of reminds me of the Moto G stylus. So yeah, you guys will have the whole points from like some camera, earpiece, and your clock there. Nice wallpaper there, like a wave or some shit, you know. Volume keys, power button on the right side there. Let's see what's the left side. You want your micro SD and SIM card slot there. Right side, if I want to say, volume keys, power button. There's the left side right now, which is micro SD and SIM card slot. Right side of the volume keys and power button. And then on the back I have the Moto G-Fast. It's a regular white, so pretty nice color. It does have 3 cameras in the rear. Fingerprint sensor right here. Camera flash and cameras right here. So it tells you what the cameras are. So I'm guessing this is a right here. This is a ultra wide lens, and this is a macro lens right here. So pretty nice. And this is like a camera right here, so pretty nice right there. So it says here, introducing Moto G-Fast. Experience incredible performance with this Qualcomm Snapdragon 665 and 3 GB of RAM as your phone responds instantly to every tap, touch, and swipe. Capture the perfect shot in any situation with a triple camera system including a macro vision and an ultra wide lens, all powered by an amazing 2 days of battery life. Moto G-Fast superior performance is closer than you think. So, pretty cool. The Moto G-Fast is compatible with the T-Mobile expanded network, so pretty neat. Full specs on a 6.4-inch display, 16 megapixel main camera, 33 hours of talk time, 32 GB of memory, and Android 10 on board. Of course, how's it work is order today, wait for your phone to arrive, pick it up and activate online. So it's good fast from the get-go. The Qualcomm Snapdragon 665 octa-core processor boosts performance and enabling more powerful online games, advanced camera features, and improved security. And with 3 GB of RAM, it's made to multitask, letting you run multiple apps at one time, and switch seamlessly back and forth. One camera system for every situation. Shoot close-ups, ultra-wide angles, and everything in between. The AI camera system has all the cameras you need. Fit 4 times more in your phone using an ultra-wide angle lens. Take sharp photos even in low light using a 16 megapixel camera, and get 5 times closer to your subject for incredible close-ups with the macro vision camera. Fuel your freedom. Running out of juice is no fun. Moto G-Fast gives you a 4,000 mAh battery designed to last 2 days on a single charge. You can stream music or shows and movies for long hours. Plus get 23 days of standby time, and know that you have better life when you need it most. Take the show to go. Now you don't have to settle when it comes to entertainment on the move. Bring your favorite movie shows and games to life on a 6.4-inch Max Vision HD Plus display backed by a powerful loudspeaker. larger than life. Android ultra wide views on the stunning 6.4-inch max vision HD plus display, and get the big screen you've been craving. Max vision provides maximum viewing with a 19:9 aspect ratio, immersing you in the furthest movies, shows, games, and everything else. Water repellent, waterproof, never spills, splashes, or a little sweat drag you down, whether you are going for a run or taking a call in the rain. An advanced water repellent design keeps your phone protected inside and out. Android 10. For new ways to control your privacy, location, battery life, and more, get all the latest features including some new controls and Android 10. Help when you want. Also, the Moto G Flash is less environment capable, so pretty nice. So stay connected even when you're traveling to Mexico. Plain add-on is required for better first. Voice environment capable. Keep talking even when you're temporarily outside the Boost network. Sub plans include 15 minutes per month of domestic voice environment. Enough for us, the Moto G Flash has hotspot on board, so Pernessa says don't get stuck without an internet connection. Turn your phone into a Wi-Fi hotspot for on-the-go access verse per plan. Alright. Specs and song are pretty good, so this is my dad again. Very nice one. You did 4,000 mAh battery, 33 hours of talk time, 3 GB of RAM, 32 GB of RAM, working off SD card up to 512 GB. Snapdragon 665 processor, Android 10, 16 megapixel dual rear camera system. It's actually 3 cameras in the back, but you know, and the 8 megapixel front facing camera. You have a 16 megapixel main camera and a macro vision lens and ultra wide lens. So there you go. 6.4-inch max vision HD plus display. Your dimensions are 6.37 inches height, 2.98 inches width, 0.36 inches depth, and the Moto G Flash weighs 6.68 ounces. Connectivity options for the Moto G Flash is Wi-Fi 802.11 ABGN AC, Bluetooth 5.1, Type-C charging, and headphone jack. So really nice there. What's included in the box is a Moto G Flash smartphone, Type-C cable, SIM tool, charger, and gas, so nothing special there. If you guys need help with your Moto G Flash, Boost Mobile has you covered. Yeah, Boost Mobile has you covered with that. So it says here, want to know everything there is to know about this one? Learn everything from setting up your email to managing all other games and applications. So really nice tool to have. There you guys go. Moto G Flash. Available at Boost Mobile. It's currently on sale for $99.99. The full retail price is $149.99. This is a nice one. I do like the white color a lot. It's very nice. So this is a nice one. It reminds me of the Moto G style. So there you go. A pretty interesting name for a phone, but it is what it is. The thing is pretty fast. It's not like the fastest phone ever, but the phone should be pretty quick. So yeah, you guys have it. Moto G Flash now available at Boost Mobile. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. Let us know a lot. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.